by the rivers of exile. By the rivers of exile. And oh, yeah. By the rivers of exile, under Babylon's skies, we carried our sorrow with tears in our eyes. Temple in ruins, homeland far away, wondering if your presence had faded away. Yeah. But then through the silence your spirit still spoke, through visions of fire, through hearts that were broke. You said, I have not left you, I still call you mine. Even in the ashes your mercy would shine. When hope feels gone and the night won't end, your voice says healing will rise again. Give me a new heart, a heart of flesh. Wash me in mercy, make me alive again. Put your spirit in me, breathe your life. Turn all my dry bones into hope tonight. You have not left me, still remain, restoring the broken, removing the shame. From exile to freedom, from sorrow to song, with your spirit in me, I know I belong. Yeah. Exile had the people feeling cast aside, lost the land, lost the temple, lost their pride. Everything shattered, identity gone, looking at the ruins, trying to figure out what went wrong. But Ezekiel stepping with a fire-filled word, not human opinion, this was straight from the Lord. Judgment was real, yet the sin ran deep, but covenant mercy still moved underneath. I was sprinkled clean water, you be made clean. Give you a new heart, new spirit within. That's more than survival, that's holy renewal. God rebuilding the people from the inside through you. Heart of stone gone, heart of flesh now beat. Spirit of the living God putting life in the weak. Jesus said the helper would come and remain. Then Acts chapter 2 put fire in the flame. Pentecost power, promise came true. What Ezekiel saw, then it's alive in me too. So no matter how broken, no matter how far, grace still reaches deeper than the shape of your scars. Yeah, than the shape of your scars. Yes, yeah. You promised to gather to scattered again, to dwell with your people and call them your friends. Not only rebuilding what hands could restore, but opening hearts that were closed before. You took what was hard and softened with grace, brought us back near to behold your face. No longer abandoned, no longer alone. Your spirit within us has made us your home. When I feel lost, when I feel numb, your living breath says, child, I have come. Give me a new heart, a heart of flesh. Wash me in mercy, make me alive again. Put your spirit in me, breathe your life. Turn all my dry bones into hope tonight. You have not left me, still remain, restoring the broken, removing the shame. From exile to freedom, from sorrow to song. Fall on me, break these chains and set me free. Dwell within this fragile frame, heal with sin and fear stained. Jesus, you have made the way from death to life, from night to day. Now my soul can rise and sing. You are my God, my everything. You are my God, my everything. Yeah, so take the stone and make it live. Teach my heart to trust and give. From the valley to the throne, you have claimed me as your own. And I will stand renewed, restored, alive within.